So she got that. She got the resource. And then she looked at me and she goes, well, he's dead.
Okay. You still have a history of being entrapped by narcissists. You should probably know what that pattern looks like so you don't get trapped with a narc kid, a narc friend, sibling, whoever.
Exactly.
You're not free because they're dead. They're everywhere.
Exactly. So the guide spoke to her at that point and said, yes, but these are your patterns. This is your lack of education, your lack of emotional intelligence, your emotional flooding, your emotional dysregulation. And they just literally went through and said and then gave her a list. And she sat there and looked at me and went,
yeah, I'm going to reword this. Okay. It's like if I got an infection from another person, because it was just transmitted, let's say by touch, that person died. And I'm like, oh, I should be fine. They're dead. No, you still need to treat the infection in your body.
I like the analogy, Kelly,
Thank you.
because it is laughable.
Yeah, but it's also like, fuck. That's
yes, right. And it is a reality check.
You could be listening right now. Coffee with the Sarlos airs early for our patrons on patreon.com/the Sarlos.